process to the task parameters. So now a user can select a default process for each material type and thickness, and then once that is set, they can save default settings based on the process that they choose. So if I select oxyfuel, you'll notice my part clearance is larger than if I was using plasma. But now if I select oxyfuel in my process and then click OK, my lead-ins update now to my oxyfuel lead-ins. All I need to do is re-nest, and I'll nest with my oxyfuel clearances and my oxyfuel lead-ins. Now this same thing carried over into our AutoNC dialog box. Now when a user opens the AutoNC dialog box, they'll see that the oxyfuel process is set as the default process, and if they choose set as default here, we'll now create a new XML in the post folder for that secondary process so that each process can have default AutoNC parameters saved.